Good day, my crafty people. Oh, it looks really bright behind me. What's going on? I've had to put the light on. It is the most disgusting day out there today. I'll take my glasses off and I can see you. How are you all? Just logged off from work, so I'm like, right, 23rd. Feels like a book or something else. I do not know. So, I caught up with my comments this morning. You lot crack me up. You really do. Does my face give everything away? I think it does. No idea what this is. Okay, it's a book of some sort. Quilted notebook cover project. Use your fabric stash with the included embroidery panel and pattern to transfer a standard 7.5 by 9.75 composition book into a unique quilted journal. Okay, so it's just a blank book. A lot of you have been asking about the other advent box I'm looking at. I will give you all the details. I need to go back on the channel that I watched it on to get the name of it, so bear with me. I will share, don't worry. Okay, so it's just a plain paper book. Just smile, Susan, just smile. Right, so in here we have what do we have? It's an embroidery. Okay, it's a panel to embroider. If you can actually see that design on there. It's very pale, but that's fine. Oh, and oh, you lot are so smart, honestly. I queried, so you're all much more switched on, what that paper was for in that tin. Yeah, you're just amazing, you lot, honestly. It's to give you a template for when you put fabric in the hoop. Who'd have thunk it? Obviously I didn't. So well done. I think it was Margaret and Lucy. I might have got that wrong. I know it was definitely Margaret. I think it was Lucy as well. Well done. Bravo. So I'm assuming actually that that might fit in that little hoop. Yeah, it will. It'll fit in there, so that's fine. Right, okay, so what else does it say? Oh, I see. So you, right, so if you put your initials, because on the back here is an alphabet. Would I do it? Probably not. Yeah, so basically use your scraps, gives you all the sizes and how to, you know, construct it and stuff like that. So yeah. Right, so growing up as sisters, we were taught by our mother that it is more blessed to give than to receive. Because we couldn't afford to give expensive gifts, we learned to create them ourselves. Even today, we still love to make and receive handmade gifts. Yeah, I do too. We hope this pattern will become a favourite for you to make personalised notebook covers as gifts for your family and friends of all ages. Posy Lau and Seal Humphreys. I don't know who that is. Special thanks to Seal Humphreys and Tracy Fregia for stitched samples. So that's the two ladies they're on about. I don't know who they are. Yeah, so it gives you design ideas. Single fabric quilting. Camera, Susan. Single fabric quilting. Crumbed piece quilting. Got loads of bits. Might do one. I might do it. I don't know. Or quilt as you go. Now, I've done that before. I've actually got a piece done already, actually, that I could use. I don't know if I'll do the embroidery. I don't really know, to be honest with you. I might do, because I think I'm on my own after Christmas Day for a lot of it, because the girls want to see their dad and, you know, we can't exist on the same universe, apparently. Typical exes, but there we are. Yeah, okay, well, yeah. Yeah, it's a book. It's a plain paper book. Is that a composition book? I don't know. We don't really have them over here. Not the, I like the ones that you guys in the States have with like the black cover with the white bit in them. You know, if you're putting your name in that. I like the look of those. But yeah, I don't know. There's no details about what kind of a composition book it is. So yeah. Should we make one? What do you reckon? Might do. See how bored I get. Right. How many comments am I going to get? Right, take care. I'll see you tomorrow. We've got the grand opening of the 2 parcels tomorrow. The lovely bag from Snoppy can go back in its cupboard. I take it every time I go crafting with Bev and... oh, I've got a video coming out on Christmas Day talking about what I did with Bev and Lorraine when we had that crafty day together, basically. It's a bit, I always feel like I'm going on and on and on and on and on in my video, like now. But sometimes I watch it back and I go, oh, that wasn't too bad actually. So I'm my own worst critic. Always have been, always will be. Hang on. Right. So that one's Christmas Eve. So we'll do that one tomorrow for definite. And we'll do this. It's really heavy, this one. And this one's for Christmas Day. I don't know what's in it. I'm not going to open them. So I'll see you tomorrow for 2 unboxings. And like I said, when I hear back from the other Advent Box Company, I will let everybody know, because I don't know what the shipping was for the USA. I think the shipping for me, they did respond with, they do a smaller box. And she did respond with a shipping price of $62 for that one. I don't know whether the one that I'm interested in is twice the size. So I'm thinking the shipping is going to be about $120. But if it's anything like the video I watched, even with that, is it going to be worth it? I don't know. I'd have to work it out. I'm rambling. I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.